In fact, it was on October 21st that there was suddenly a sharp increase in the fall of various stock values. The following day, which is now known to history as Black Thursday, that fall of stock values proved to be much of a bigger deal, as some 12 million shares would be sold in a frenzy of panic as the markets plummeted. In fact, after this Black Thursday, angry crowds of people who thought they had lost their fortunes or had apparently lost their fortunes gathered around the New York Stock Exchange. There were actually 11 suicides following that Black Thursday on Wall Street alone, due to the financial calamity of people who had apparently lost everything. In other words, we automatically should see a certain devotion to materialism, a certain modern ideal here. This, of course, was followed by Black Tuesday on October 29th, when another 16 million shares were sold, which caused the stock market to plunge and lose value even more quickly than it ever had been, at least in recent memory. What's curious about the stock market at this time is the stock market had actually gone through a significant depressions of this sort, or significant reductions, I should say, of this sort prior to this moment. In fact, in December of 1928, the stock market had actually gone down to a mere 245 points. By November 13th of 1929, when a lot of the panic would end, at least the initial panic, the stock market was hovering around 224 points. This again was down from the 452 points it had been before, but it was still within the fair range it had been just 1 year prior. In other words, this is a potential crash that could have corrected itself had it been allowed to.